All right, good morning, guys. It's Thursday. We made it to the end of the week almost. You have one assignment today, and then I'm not assigning a math assignment for tomorrow. I have something else in mind. So just keep that in mind. Check in tomorrow. Make sure you get today's done and then check in tomorrow. So today we're moving on with the second law of exponents. We have already done product of power where we added the exponents. Today's is even easier. Today's is the power of a power. So the power of the power says that if we have a variable and it's raised to a power, let's say x in this case, and then this is raised to another power of y, then we find that simplification is x times y. We multiply those powers, so then we're left with x times y. Now, if we really wanted to get into why this is it, so this would be a to whatever, and then it's also a to whatever times y, right? So I think that might be confusing if I do that now, but that is why it is the way that it is. So today, all you do is multiply the exponents. I think most of your bases today are variables, so that will be helpful. I'll show you an example with numbers, but again, we aren't solving, we are only simplifying. Okay, so I don't care what x to the whatever is. I just want you to be able to use this product or power of a power rule. So let's try one. So let's say we have x to the third power, and then that is raised to the sixth power. You can't see that because there's a glare on it. See it now? Okay, so then if I'm going to use my power of a power rule, then it becomes x to the 3 times 6. Okay? So I'm showing my thinking here. This is what I'm thinking, but I'm not done. I need to finish simplifying this 3 times 6. We don't leave it that way. So then it becomes x to the 18th power, and then we're done. Okay? I don't really care about what this actually equals. Remember, there's no equal signs. Okay? We're just simplifying. Let's try another one with a different variable. Let's try b to the 4th times 8. Okay? So b to the 4th power is also being raised to the 8th power. So if we wanted to really think about that, that would be b to the 4th times b to the 4th times b to the 4th 8 times. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, this is what this means. Okay, so then that takes us back to our product of powers rule, where we learn when we multiply something by the same base, we add all these together. Well, what is adding all the same number together is what? It's repeated addition, right? Repeated addition is multiplication. So that's why we multiply this 4 times this 8, because this is what it really means. Okay? But rather than writing all this out, nobody wants to do that, right? So we're going to say it's b times 4 to the 8th, and then we're going to finish simplifying that, so it's b to the 32nd. If I would add all these up, I would get 32. Okay, but this shortens our work. It saves us some work, so we don't have to do this. Okay, let me scoot this back a little bit so you can get a little bit more on here so you guys can see it. Maybe move this down a little bit. Okay, let's try. So I'll just show you an example with a number. I honestly don't know if you have numbers today. I can't remember. I looked over it really fast. So let's try 3 to the 9th power. And that is cubed. Okay, so again, this means 3 to the 9th times 3 to the 9th times 3 to the 9th. That's what that really means. Okay, if I would use my product of powers rule, I could say this is 9 plus 9 plus 9. That was the rule that we've learned earlier this week. But now we have a different rule, power of a power, that says we don't need to do all this work. We can just multiply this 9 times 3. So this would become 3 to the 9 times 3, and then I'm going to simplify that to be 3 to the 27th. Remember, I don't care what 3 to the 27th is. I just want you to get to this point. I just want you to simplify. Okay? So you have 2 worksheets to do today. You have a dice roll to do today. Again, if the dice roll I provided doesn't work, you can Google one. I know Google has one if you want to do it that way. You can use your own dice. You can have a sibling yell out random numbers. Or you can just pick your own numbers. I don't care. I just want you to practice. That's really the point of the entire activity. Practice using this rule. Okay? Remember, we're multiplying the exponents today, not adding. Try to get out in the sunshine today. It's supposed to be almost 80 today, so your body needs some vitamin D. I went on a 13-mile bike ride yesterday, so I'm actually a little tired this morning, but I plan to go outside and do something. I don't know what I'm going to do yet today. Something. So I've got some other stuff. I did some crazy work yesterday. I'm getting really bored, so I don't know if you can see this very well, but so I found these letters and I traced them and then I made barn quilts on them. So I did that one. I did this one. So it's hard to see now, but once I get them painted, it'll show up. I'll show you when they're done. So anyway, no math assignment tomorrow, but I am going to do something, and I want you to provide a little feedback on what I do. So power over power, then we'll pick this up again on Monday, and hopefully get the rest of the laws of exponents mostly finished next week. So have a great weekend. Go out, or day, sorry, it's not quite Friday yet, but have a great day. Go outside, get some sunshine, get some fresh air. I miss you. See you.